Hi everyone, Steven here with etrailer.com. Today we're looking at a TeraPump battery-powered fuel transfer pump for gas cans and race and utility jugs alike. Folks, this is going to let you transfer gas from your can into your vehicle or whatever you're putting it into easily and very efficiently. It's going to be great for the racetracks. Now it looks something like this when it's installed on one of those racing containers. Those are sold separately if you need something like that. We have those options here as well. Now this is compatible with a variety of different liquid fuels, gasoline, E15, E85, diesel, kerosene, not to be used with potable water. Don't even try it, it's not safe. Now E85, just a side note, may possibly corrode your seals, so keep that in mind if that's the kind of fuel you're using, and keep an eye on those seals. Now, this has a built-in universal thread adapter. That way if you need to go to a different style of thread for those racing canisters and whatnot, you can do that with ease by simply screwing this on and then threading that onto that can itself. And if you don't need it, you can simply not use it, obviously, pop it off, and then you have your standard threads and everything already built into the head unit here. So you can see you got a couple different options there for that. It does use 4 AA batteries sold separately, or if you have some at home, you can use them as well. And as you can see, you do have a nice little attachment point here for the pump handle. Whenever you're not using it and everything, you can just simply connect that back on here, and you can pivot this however you need it for your specific setup and needs. Now, as you see, you've got the pump itself here, and you've got obviously a filter and everything built in here, and then this is going to be down inside the can, and you're going to be then pumping your fuel out to wherever you need it with this nice handheld nozzle. It feels much like just a regular fuel nozzle, like you're filling up your car with gasoline or something like that. You've got an on-off switch here on the top, and that's going to start the fuel, and then it has an automatic shut-off as well, much like those fuel dispensers you're used to at the gas pumps and everything for everyday use. And you've got a little built-in light and everything as well to make it easier to see when you're using it. So very nice feature. It's about 51 and 3/16 inches long on that hose, so you have a nice length. And then the intake here is almost 24 inches long. It's about 23 and 3/8 inches long. The flow rate on this guy is going to be 2.3 gallons per minute. And as I said before, it's going to automatically shut off. It has a hole in the pump head that prevents leaks, and that airflow and everything stops fuel from continuing in and continuing siphoning in whenever that pump is shut off. So very nice, safe options there. You're going to get about 250 gallons roughly over the lifespan of a nice set of 4 AA batteries. So kind of keep that in mind as far as, you know, how much you're using it, and have some extra batteries on hand just to be safe. So very nice little product. I like it. I think it's a neat little idea. And again, you can transfer fuel safely. And let's say you're not even at the racetrack. Let's say maybe for whatever reason, you can't physically hold those 5-gallon cans or whatever size they are anymore. You could simply put this on those kind of cans too, and then use this to maybe fill up your lawnmower, tiller, whatever, side-by-sides, those kind of things. So a lot of different options. Possibilities are pretty much endless. It does meet the high safety standards of ANSI, UL, CSA, and NSF. And you can find out more information about the safety things on the website as well. Folks, that is going to wrap it up for our look together. I'm Steven. Thanks so much for our time together, and have a great day.